Here's a project for us for Christmas, and it's going to be the salt dough. I made 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 different colors, and I have some cookie cutters. I like this gingerbread one. And in the gingerbread colored one, which is cinnamon brown, I added actual cinnamon powder so that it would smell like cinnamon when it smells like a cookie. So you can do that. You don't have to do it. But also one of the recipes that I got was 2 cups of flour, 1 cup of water, 2 cups of flour, 1 cup of water, and 1 cup of salt. But I think that 1 cup of water is way too much because I had to take all of the 6 colors that I had made and had to add a lot of flour. So I say that as long as it's this kind of texture right here, it's gonna look like rock, like after it dries, but you can smooth it out as much as you can, but it cannot stick. Like when you're rolling it or shaping it, it can't stick to because your skin is already pretty warm, so it warms up the clay and then it sticks. So to know what the good consistency is that if it doesn't stick to your hand, that's a good indication that the texture is perfect, your mixture is perfect. So I have some freezer paper right here, and it tends to roll up like this. So what I do is I put masking or painter's tape just to hold it down. And for this color, I want to use, for this project, I want to use, because it's going to be like a gingerbread guy, it's going to be the perfect color. And also though, if you don't like the color that it turns out, you can always paint it when it's done. So I'm just going to roll it with the rolling pin. Let's see. And that's about 1/4 of an inch. I'm only doing 1 because just to give an idea. And then I have this very nice decorative rolling pin that I plan to use. And I'm going to roll it slowly. Now I have that nice decor, and cut my gingerbread guy. Very slowly does it, and just pull away, because a lot of people already make gingerbread the same exact way, and I figured let's be different, let's be a little different. But see how it still has that leftover stuff, it's kind of a rough edge right there. You can add some more flour if you want, that's perfectly fine, but for me, I'm just going to kind of push it to gather it back in like this. And then what I plan to do is tie like a red gingham around its neck, just like as a ribbon. Also, after this dries and it becomes solid, well, it's solid now, but when it hardens, you can always sand it if you miss some parts. So this is a really good project for kids to do also. And the reason why I didn't show you how I mixed, because everybody knows how to mix. So I'm just going to give you the recipe, because it's really on you what your texture is going to be. you know. And I already told you that as long as it's not sticking to your hand, you're perfect. You're golden. Then I have this coffee stir. Let's see, I already like pushed a hole in some of them. And this is like, I'm just taking it out, or you can always just cut it if you don't have the time. Look at this little hand that I made out of the other clay. It's like a tiny finger that I can use to smooth stuff out, you know. I don't know, I'm just crazy like that. So you're just going to poke a hole on the head like this. And then see, it's in there. And then you can just take it out so you can reuse it later. And that's about it. Then you can do a million of these because it smells like cinnamon. And what I'll do is I will push a couple of eyes. You could also use these little eye hooks. They're tiny. You can get this from Amazon. I'll put the link in the description, and so that you can purchase it if you want. You can put the eye hook here if you don't want the face of your gingerbread to have the hole there. But I'm gonna do this. Is also, I bought this also from Amazon, and I'll put the link down in the description for you guys. And this right here is a tool that I got from the dollar store. So I'm just gonna put eyes, and I think, and it's up to you, this is on you, but I think that if you put the eyes kind of close to each other, it's cuter than if it's far apart. That's a tip. That's a pro tip right there. Now, you can, after this is already dry and hardened, you can always put, or let me just put a little smile. There we go. Cute. Look at that cute little smile. Oh my goodness, it's so cute. This is $1.25, guys, from the dollar store. There's a cute smile. Come on now, how cute is that? And so once this dries, you can and I'm gonna show you once it's dry, but this is gonna be a couple days from now. You can, you know, paint it, or like with like a stain. For it to be a stain, it has to be dissolved. I mean, you have to dilute like brown paint or burnt umber paint with water, and then paint it all over, and then just wait a little bit and then dab the color off. And then you can polyurethane, or you can at this stage you can also get the alphabet soup noodles and press it if you want to customize it, personalize it for your kids or your grandkids, and then push those letters in. You can make, if you have the letterings, you can do whatever message or name that you want to put across. But because I have this beautiful decor made by the rolling pin, I don't want to touch it. And this is just going to be the decoration, the stamp. Then I'm going to add a ribbon and then hang it. And there you go. You can make it as a gift tag. You can make it as an ornament for a tree. Maybe not a big tree, but like a small tree, you can use it. Because this is only like, how big is this? About 3.5 inches. Yeah, it's small. So it would be perfect for a small tree. Okay. So I'm just going to leave this like this. And I'm going to put the date on it because that's what I do. I'm going to put today's date as 10/9. And so after 4 days, this is going to be, maybe after 2 days, it's going to, the top will be dry. So you just turn it over and let it dry for another couple of days. And then you're done. Then you have like such a cute little gingerbread ornament, guys. Isn't this just the cutest little thing? All right. Until the next time. Oh, well, I'm going to show you what it looks like later on. So, a couple days.